Hey there, and welcome back to Tim Talks Cooking. Today, we are talking chicken breast, my friend. That's right, we're talking perfectly cooked chicken breast, and I'm going to make it in the Instant Pot, and I think you're going to love this recipe. I've got a couple of recipes around the corner where I need some shredded chicken breast that's already cooked, and I'm going to show you exactly how to make this delicious chicken breast. Let's get started. Really couldn't be simpler. Other than an Instant Pot, what you need are 3 nice big chicken breasts like this, or you could use 2 or 4 if you like. You'll just adjust the time that you cook these for. A quart of chicken stock. This is my homemade chicken stock. 2 bay leaves. These are Indian bay leaves. A tablespoon of Italian seasoning. A teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. This recipe is really about as simple as it gets. We're just going to dump everything into our Instant Pot. The chicken, the seasonings, the salt and pepper, the 4 cups of chicken stock or bone broth, same diff. As you know if you've watched my video, then I'm going to attach the lid, which I always have a little trouble with, as you know if you've seen me do the Instant Pot before. There we go, wow. I'm going to set it to sealing as opposed to venting, and now I'm going to set it on the meat and stew setting for 1 minute. I've got my Instant Pot now set for 1 minute. What's going to happen is it's going to heat up. It's going to build up pressure inside. When it gets to that pressure, it's going to count backwards from 1 minute. Then it's going to turn itself off. And we're going to wait 10 minutes before we turn the vent to venting here and let the pressure out. Now my timer's just gone off, and so now I'm going to set another timer for 10 minutes. And when that's done, we'll let the pressure out. There's my timer going off for 10 minutes. Now we're going to set this to vent. You can see it's going to hiss a little bit. That's all right. We're going to wait for that to stop, and then we're going to open the lid. Now the pressure has returned to normal, and we can open it up. And here we go. And there are our perfectly cooked chicken breasts. Let's have a look. I've removed this from the pot. You can see by touching it, it's nice and firm. That means it's perfectly done. I'm going to slice through it here. Oh yeah, it's very tender. And look at what we've got. This is such an easy way to cook chicken breasts. I just love it. Let's have a taste here. It's going to be really great in the dish that I'm going to prepare. Oh yeah. It's delicious. This chicken is tender and juicy. It's perfectly seasoned with salt and pepper and the other spices, which you can taste in the background actually. And I still have a quart of chicken stock to use for soup or something, so I'm just going to strain that, put that in a quart jar and put it back in the refrigerator. Listen, thanks so much for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. Before you go, don't forget to like, share, comment, and especially subscribe. It helps my channel grow and helps you find my videos, especially if you click on the bell icon. That will get you notified every time I upload a new video, which actually is a couple of times a week. Thanks for joining us here today at Tim Talks Cooking. We'll catch you next time.